Now, to truly grasp the essence of affiliate marketing and set ambitious goals, you need to see the works of some successful affiliate marketers. This way you can see what others are doing and aspire towards the same thing. There are many ways you can share your affiliate links and drive traffic to maximize your earnings. Affiliates have the flexibility to choose the platforms that best suit their content style, strength, and audience preferences. Let's go through some marketing websites. First, let's check out this Clever Hiker website. This is a website dedicated to camping with backpacking, hiking, and camping gear reviews. This website, as you can see, provides expert advice and recommendation on outdoor equipment from tents to sleeping bags for those interested in hiking. If you go through the website and click on any blog link, now you will see review of some products. These are all affiliate links. If I click on this one, it redirects to this website. This is REI Coop Camp Maker, probably a manufacturer handling their own affiliate program. And if I click on this one leads to Amazon for this Nemo product. So different links to different affiliate programs, manufacturers, or e-commerce websites. This is a great example of how affiliate marketing works, providing useful content while earning commission from sales made through affiliate links. And I'm going to show you how to create your own marketing website like this from scratch, even if you have never designed one before. Now let's check out another website. Let's check out this Very Well Fit website. This, as you can see, is a health and fitness website that offers expert advice on nutrition, workout, and wellness. Going through the website, you see different content. It gives advices and tips on health and fitness and reviews fitness equipment, fitness apparel, supplements, and more. If you click on any of this content, you'll see reviews of some product with helpful content and some links. And if you click on them, you will see a list of some websites where users can buy the recommended product. These are all fitness tools, adjustable dumbbells, and so on. If I click on this one leads to Amazon, Dick's Sporting Goods, PowerBlog, and so many other merchants. Many product creators or manufacturers use different affiliate networks, so it is smart to join as many affiliate programs for the same product and add the different affiliate links so users can have options to choose where they want to buy the product from. These demonstrate how affiliate marketing can be applied to the health and fitness products. Other website to check out is Host Advice. This is a hosting review website and is known for comparing and reviewing web hosting providers and the earn commission from users who sign up for these hosting programs. Then we have Wirecutter. This is a product review website known for in-depth testing and recommendations on consumer electronics, home goods, and more. If you go through the website, you will see it has lots of content, and then if you click on any of the content, you see product recommendation that leads to some merchant website. These are all affiliate links. Then we have VP Mentor. This site specializes in VPN reviews and cybersecurity guides, helping users choose the best VPN services while earning commission through affiliate link. Then we have this NerdWallet, which is a finance-focused website that provides advice on credit cards, loans, and personal finance, and they are monetizing through affiliate partnership. So these are websites you can learn from, and there are so many websites out there. Many top affiliates prefer visual content, especially video content. Of course, the largest video website is YouTube. Let's check out this YouTube channel. This is a tech review channel, and the content creator talks about gadgets, gaming hardware, and PC builds. And if you click on any of the video content, in the description, let's click more. You will see links to different products that viewers can buy. And these are all affiliate links. If a viewer or a user clicks on any of these links, for example, let's click on this one, it will redirect to this landing page with links to Amazon, Walmart, and Home Depot. If I click on this one, it takes the user to this landing page. And if the user buys the product, the owner of the channel makes commissions. Affiliate link can be added to a personal or business website, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, in email newsletters, and so on. We are going to cover different affiliate marketing platforms in a later lesson. Now, I know you're curious about how much you can truly earn with affiliate marketing. We'll explore that in the next lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.